So how to get BlueSky invite code? I will just share my experience. So like here's first of all, here's the app BlueSky Social. Here is the logo. This is the app you need. There are a bunch of other apps called BlueSky. That these are not those apps. So this is the app. And I started to use BlueSky, already some like months ago, half a year ago. And back then it was quite complicated to get an invite code. I joined when maybe there were like 5,000 users or 10,000. Now, just when this video is posted, I think there are more than a million users on BlueSky. So actually, it shouldn't be that hard for you to get an invite code. You can start even, just by asking your friends, because this app, from a super niche app, it's still not like global app, but it's becoming more and more used among people, especially in United States. Maybe in Europe, people still don't know about it, but in US or some big cities, if you have just some groups, you can just ask somewhere in a group chat, and probably someone will already have invite code. So to here's an account, creating a new account, and then in the second screen you will just need the invite code here. I already have an account, as I said, so here's my account, and look here. So I just have a very small account, and me personally, I have 7 invite codes already, so you can see them under my username. So just what I'm selling, so saying that like BlueSky is quite generous in giving people who are already on the app invite codes. So it can be completely possible that some of your friends already have invite codes. It's not like this app just has like everyone who signs up has only 2 invite codes. It's not like that. The more you post on this app, the more invite codes you get. So maybe some of your friends can get like 30 invite codes or something. So that's just one step, like ask your friends or just people in the group chats. The another thing is like obviously the internet, like there are so many forums on Reddit, subreddits, there are probably some official subreddits from BlueSky, however, I'm not sure, a bunch of unofficial ones. And with over 1 million of users on this app already, there are 100% some communities, where you can just, engage with them and like get an invite code. So that's what you can do as well. Just do your research, and just that's what you can do as well. So that's that. So yeah, that's what you can try here. And I don't know what else. Of course, you can just join the waitlist when you try to sign up and you don't have invite code. Maybe you can, is the easiest first step, just join the waitlist. Maybe it will take like 3-6 months, I'm not sure, but still, if you don't want to actively search for invite code, you can just do that. And yeah, again, about the invite code, I guess there can be a bunch of Discord servers, Facebook groups. Just you just need to do your research, and a bunch of communities. Just Google it out, and I think you will find it out. But that's what it is. In my case, I already have like 7 invite codes. I didn't use them yet. I don't know. They're just here. Maybe I will share them later. But that's what it is. Hope at least some of this advice was helpful. It's like in case you are desperate, it's like it's not that hard to get on this app anymore. Just saying, like it was hard to get on this app, like like maybe half a year ago, where there were really few people using this app, and every invite code was tracked, like if it was used for a purpose or who shared that code. And there were even occasions if people were selling these invite codes, and some people who bought them, they were deleted from BlueSky and stuff. That was like quite crazy. But now, like there are millions of users. It's really hard to control already, and I'm just not sure why they still don't open up this app, and they just still keep these invite codes. I think with over 1 million of users, their infrastructure should be quite solid. But yeah, that's what it is. The Blue Sky app is just basically, like decentralized, decentralized Twitter, decentralized X app, and it's mostly like left wing kind of app. So it's not like Rumble, like True Social. No, it's not. But it has this decentralized aspect where it's based on some protocol, and here you can also like edit your feeds. You can discover new feeds. Um, um, yeah, like, and you can see, for example, a release. There are a bunch of releases quite often. This app is still in very active phase of development, therefore there can be some bugs, but there are a bunch of like really decentralized features, and I think this app is like the top destination for like if you want to experience what decentralized media will look like. For example, you have your feeds, which are basically your algorithms. You can add your own certain algorithms. You can even create your own. You can literally code your own algorithm and just upload to this app, and just then it will become popular. And then you have all these like servers where you can host your account. So yeah, it's pretty cool features, and Blue Sky is one of the pioneers in this sphere. Of course, there is Mastodon, there is like Noster apps, but this is one of the apps which is not that complicated as Mastodon. Like a lot of users struggle to even create an account on Mastodon without invite code. Like Blue Sky, it still combines features of like old Twitter, where it's kind of easy to use, very kind of minimalistic design, but it has this decentralized technical aspect. So it definitely has some kind of innovation, and it feels kind of very like early Twitter days. Everyone is kind of nice to each other. There aren't like very aggressive discussions and all of that's like early stages of social media. So that's why it's kind of interesting app. So give it a try. That's what it is.